Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can you create Onshape student account. So let's get right into it. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Onshape online and hit enter. You will get the first website, Onshape product development platform. Click on this link. If you have already an account made on this website, you can simply go and sign in. But if you don't have any account, you have to click on create a student account. Click on this and you will get such kind of window. Just scroll down and here you can simply sign up by putting the details. If, for example, you have to put your first name, I just put Ali, your last name, and here I'm just putting my email address. Okay, then you have to select the category, whether you're a student or an educator. I will select student. Next, you have to choose your school level, whether you're studying at the graduate school or university. It doesn't depend. You have to select anyone. And then finally you have to acknowledge and agree with the privacy details, each and everything, and the details that you have just entered must be the correct one. And then you have to just click on the create education account. Once you've done this, you can simply sign in, and then here you have just put your email account and the password that you have just created, and then you will be getting this window. Click on the sign in. Oh, let's boom. This is the Onshape account that you have just created. You can just deal with each and everything, right? Stay tuned and must subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.